lot of money, I'm just chasing paper. My boss is rich, everybody hates her, I just think it's funny.
Hello fams, how are you all doing? Today it's your girl Grace and your beautiful girl Chima here again with another tutorial. In today's tutorial we'll be showing you how we created a very simple, cute and easy bun, two buns on Chima. This hair is super easy to do. You can actually master this tutorial without even so much trouble. It's just a crochet, I think it's a crochet bun. I'm going to also show you how to part your hair whenever you want to create a bun, especially if you just two and you don't want to stress the hair, right, or the scalp. You don't want to stress it. So as we'll be doing today. So first thing first, I started off by applying conditioner and oil, castor oil on her hair, just to make it a little soft and easy for me to comb through. I have a lot of mothers who have been asking me how do you make the baby's hair to get soft and all that stuff. The tutorial will be coming. This is just like a fast forwarded one, just to take down those braids, cornrow on her hair. And this is the hairstyle I always do whenever I finish washing Chima's hair, and I don't want it to shrink too much. I don't want it to have so much trouble. I don't want to have so much trouble doing the hairstyle, so I do this cornrows on her so that it could be easy for me. Yeah, so you could actually do this step because it's going to be very easy for you if you know how to cornrow. If you don't, just braid the hair one and then that's it. So first thing first, since it's two braids, we're going to part it in the middle, and I spiced it up a little. You don't have to go through this stress, baby. I didn't even show you what I did there. I just showed you how I sectioned it and I did the braids because I had a hard time doing that with her. It was a whole lot of struggle, so I don't even want to talk about it. So I just did a little braids and I added some bits to it. So now I'm going to show you how to part, to do this hairstyle. So first thing, if you notice that if you don't want to stress your child's scalp, which I don't even encourage you to do that. So if you want to make a bun that is almost to the front of the hair, just do it this way. Go make a section in the middle, apply some of your some gel and some conditioner to it, and comb it through and make sure that it's super smooth. Then secure with your rubber band. Then gradually start picking up hairs with your styling brush and your gel, and also let it be meeting to the bun, the first section you created, and then just gradually be doing that, and you're definitely gonna get to it. And as you're doing it, make sure you're detangling the hair if the hair is already stretched, because I found out that when I was doing it I had a lot of issues because Chima's hair, because of the leave-in conditioner I added, it shrunk back. So that was a struggle for me. So but if the hair is already detangled and didn't shrink, then you just have to apply your gel. Every section you go, you just apply your gel or your edge control, and then use your styling brush to brush it till it meets the first bun you created, right? So you see how the back is looking. Yeah, this hair doesn't hurt. It didn't hurt her. She didn't complain. Nothing. It was just perfect for her. It didn't like. That's it. So this is how you're gonna create this bun. And actually, I didn't even make it to be super perfect for her because we're going to be crocheting the hair. So the hair tutorial, I know I've been promising you guys I'll be doing it. I know I've not kept my promise, but trust me, by next week you'll be seeing how to do this yourself. This hair I'm using, I did it myself. I just used a Canicolon hair braiding extension and I did the curls, and baby, it came out perfect. So I'll be doing a tutorial, be expecting it next week, yeah. I think next week Friday. Yeah, you should be expecting it next week Friday, and the tutorial will be landing to you at your doorstep. Okay, how to do this. I didn't go to get the braiding extension from, the curls from the beauty supply. I did it myself, y'all. So once you crochet, I know this is not a tutorial that is going to show you how to crochet, but at least you can, by watching other tutorials how to crochet hair into one another. So I crocheted the hair extension into her hair, and then once I went around the bun I created. Once I did that, I just wrap it into a bun, which you're going to see later. So that is what I did, and yeah, just keep watching and see what I did.
No, I won't run like the other ones. Feel my touch in the morning. Cause girl, 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 you won't cry no more. No, 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 don't you show me the door. Cause this love is gonna stay. I said I go running in the rain. Oh, you're my one and only. We'll catch the sun in the morning. It's home, I'm not leaving. This love got me dreaming. I know what you need, and I'll be here in the morning. Come on, no more thinking. Don't cry, we ain't leaving. One love, I'm believing. Wake up, no more dreaming. Girl, 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 I'll be here in the morning. Do you believe me, girl? Oh yeah.
So when we are done, I went ahead and just did her edges and made it look beautiful. You can now add your accessories. Like you can see, I already added beads. I also went ahead and I added what's it called again, some bows to it, which you're gonna see later. I made it look so beautiful. Yeah, we were trying to go out that day, and I didn't want Chima's hair to look the way it was, and I wanted her to look so perfect. This literally took me approximately 10 minutes to do this hairstyle. It's so fast, it's so easy, and it's just like a go-to. It's not something that could last for like 1 week. It can last for 1 week depending on how you maintain it, but it's not going to last so much. So it's just a hairstyle that you just want to throw out there for your kid, for any event. You're looking for something to do. This is a perfect hairstyle for you. I know you like, and you're gonna like it. I mean, you just you can see how Chima is looking. You see how she was looking before and after. I see how I've transformed her. Well, yeah, this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you learned one thing or two. I hope this helped you out, and if you like what you see, please go ahead, like, share, comment, leave us a beautiful comment, and subscribe to our channel. We beg you, please subscribe to our channel, because this channel is going to permanent site. You get what I mean? Yeah, please subscribe to our channel, and please if you are in Dallas area, I am a makeup artist by profession, and if you're looking for your face to be beat, I'm gonna put my picture close somewhere, pictures that I've done, so you could see my work, and then please patronize me. Go ahead and just call me. I'm gonna put my phone number somewhere so you could reach out to me. And also, if you're looking for a model to model your hair, any hair, and make hair and fashion, please go ahead and reach us out. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.